With a higher stocking density, you got a load more hooves on the ground. It's adding a thermal blanket or a thermal layer to the ground. It'd be 54,200 kilos per acre or 119,480 pounds per acre. So not only holding moisture, it also helps regulate heat.
G'day folks, welcome to our YouTube channel and thanks for choosing to watch one of our videos. Hope you enjoy.
The area itself is 242 square meters or 0.05 of an acre, and I had 2,710 kilos or 5,974 pounds of cattle on here. So I had 8 head of cattle and it was equivalent of 5.3 animal units. Per acre, it'd be 54,200 kilos per acre or 119,480 pounds per acre. That's the pasture they just went into. It's obviously 3 foot to a metre high, and this is the pasture they came out of overnight. And it's probably 6 to 8 inches high in areas. So what's the advantage of higher stocking density? Well, to start with, you get a more even graze. So that's pretty even all the way across there. If I take a walk through there, that's pretty even all the way across. The more animals you get, the more pasture you get chewed down and the more even it is, because they can be less selective. Because if they don't eat it, the next cow behind them will. So you'll find they generally eat a lot more pasture or unpalatable pasture or weeds that they generally wouldn't eat with a higher stocking density. Also, if you have a look on the ground, check out the manure distribution. Not only manure, it's the urine you can't see. So all those minerals are going back into the ground, all those nutrients. So I could just stand in this one area and it'd have to be at least, I could probably count 20 paddies. Wherever I move, there's paddy being dropped. So that manure cycle is adding all that nutrients back into the ground. Obviously with a higher stocking density, you got a load more hooves on the ground. So you're actually laying down more carbon or armour, a litter bank. So this is laying down, this is protecting the soil from the sun, also limiting the amount of compaction the rain can do. That stops the sunlight drawing the moisture out of the ground. It's adding a thermal blanket or a thermal layer to the ground. So not only holding moisture, it also helps regulate heat and cool. So if you might have a hot day followed by a cold night, you haven't got a spike in the ground, a spike in temperature from the sun directly hitting the soil. It's adding that thermo blanket, so it's regulating and controlling the temperature in the soil, which is very beneficial when it comes to the soil microbes and holding the moisture in the ground. And obviously with moisture in the ground, the more the plant can grow back and recover. It's got the nutrient cycle from manure, and it's got the moisture, and it's got armour. I just filled up their water and readiness for tomorrow's move. So they're the main advantages of higher stocking density and what you can achieve. So if you like the content, guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of when we put up new content. Have a good morning, have a terrific afternoon, and an awesome evening, guys, wherever you're watching this from, and we'll catch you later.